A very good morning to everybody who is present here watching the video. Today, I, the admin of Capture the Nation, is going to describe how to write a book review. So, first of all, we will see from basic, from step to step, how we have to write and how we have to conclude it to get a better result about how to write a book review. So, this is our first college page. As I have a file of Dr. Rajeshwar Srivastava Mahavidyalaya, Dhinoi Patti, Pratapgarh. In this way, we will proceed. Here, the first page is about name of book, author's name, publisher name, printer's name, ISBN number, and price. In this way, you have to make the first page mentioning the ISBN number and price. All these. In second page, you have to write about the introduction, the basic introduction of the book writer. As I have taken the book How to Fly, Learning How to Fly, which is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here I have given his full biodata, full name, born, place, father's name, mother's name, death, nationality, and known as, how he is known as. Here I have written about him, so you can write it. After that, you can tell about early life and education, about his career, from where he took his education, his research work, and how he got awarded, for what things he got awarded. You can write it here in early life and education section. In the next page, you can write about contents from the book. The chapters which are included in the book, you have to write that chapters here in short form. You have to describe the concept, you have to describe the objective of the chapter in little. That like I have written this chapter name, I Will Fly. This chapter contains about 10 to 20 pages, and I have written in this small paragraph here, and what it meant I have written it here. In similar way, these are the chapters. I Will Fly, Creating Culture of Experience. These are the chapters. In similar way, every chapter is mentioned ignited minds of the youth, the lifelong quest for knowledge, managing the journey of life, innovation and creativity. These are the chapters which is mentioned by him. So I have described in a short these chapters. Be the unique you. What can science give you? Empowerment of 3 billion people. Be the change. These are the summary which have been provided to you of different chapters. These you can easily write when you read thoroughly the chapters. Striving for excellence. Books as our guides. A book in every hand. Transforming the future, intellect and empathy from child to leader. These are the basically chapters which he has written. Evolution of creative leaders, healing with heart. Now the chapter section is over. All the chapters have been thoroughly explained in short. Now the main content is book review. What you have to write in book review? You have to mention this heading book review. In this, you have to tell about what this book is all about. That means what this book contains, basically what it contains, what it wants to tell to the people. After that, it is analysis. In this section, you have to write your own opinion, what you learn from it, what you get from it, what you understand from it, according to your point, what the author is telling through this book to the mass. You have to write it here. It is your analyzing. What you analyze, you have to write it here. After that, it is conclusion page. Conclusion page totally deals about what you want to conclude, what you conclude from this book review. Like here I have wrote it about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has a great belief in the power of youth. He met over 21 million children and young people in India and outside and spoke to them about the power of knowledge, ambition, moral behavior, and the need to bring about a change in society. In learning how to fly, some of his 2000 lectures have been compiled. In this way, I have written what he told about in this book. I have concluded it here. You can conclude in your own way. After that, educational contribution of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This page is a must in book review for B.Ed students and also for other students if they are making any file. Here you have to tell about the writer, author of the book, which who is the author of the book, his educational qualifications and contribution in the field of education. You have to write it here in this page. So here I have wrote some of the important contribution of author toward education is as follows. What contribution he has paid towards education sector, that I have mentioned, and his notable works, what books he has written, what novels he has written, what literature he has written. These are mentioned in this page. You can mention it. After that, it comes the rating page. Rating page is the judgment page. How you rate this book after reading this. How you rate this, like you rate films, serials, any product. In same way, you have to write it, this book review, what it tells about in positive and negative, how it tells. You have to give it mark. As I have given 10 out of 10 because this book is really very good. This rating is made by yourself. You have to, this is not compulsory that you give 10 out of 10 rating. It depends on you, how you see it, how you get it, how you're getting the book, and how it explains its thing into the society, to the people, to the mass. In that way you have to give rating. If that book is not good, then you can give easily 6, 7, 8 point according to your wish. In this way your book review got completed. Thank you. Like and subscribe the channel if you like this video. For any more information you can comment below if you want any other things related to these files. Thank you.